Myself Ankur Kumar Singh. Today we will see the database lab system experiment number 2 that is based on the trigger. In this we have a following question to create a table that has a courses and prepaid and the inquiry, and we have to insert a data in it and we have to perform some query. This is all the query. Question number 1 to 6 we have to perform on the basis of the above table. For that we have first we are creating the table as a courses and the courses code and the courses name and the syllabus. For the name we are giving the var here, and the first we have you can see that a create table has been created. After that we have to another table to create table prepared, and we are creating table, and the third table we are creating. After that we are inserting table into the prepared, and after that we have all the data in that table. We are inserting the next data into the table, and inserting data you can see that inserting into the prepared. After inserting and creating all the data, you can see that the first row has been created. Similarly we will be created all the row, and after that we have to select start from the prepared, and that we can see that all the data in the table is present there. And after that we have another table as an inquiry we have created. You can see that the table has been created, and after that we inserting the data. After you can see that data has been inserted, one row created. Similarly all the row has been created. After that we have to create a place the trigger validity course. For that we have before inserting on inquiry for each row where new dot courses is greater than 10 and beginning and the database output line and the next is end. We can see that the trigger is created. For that we have to set insert on the data, and into inquiry all the data has been inserted. After that we have an error at the line 1. We will be seeing that next. You can see that here one row is created after inserting the value. The next we will create a trigger validity code before insert on inquiry for each row when course code is represented begin and end. You can see that the trigger has been created. And similarly first row is created. You can see the next trigger we have a point that we have some problem in that trigger. After that we will see the next trigger. Here you can see that a trigger has been created, but there is a compiler error. Will be fixed in the next time. You can see that trigger has been created, but there is a compiler error in the next time. Same is the trigger insert inquiry for each row. In the beginning detail from delete from inquiry, and there is a compiler error. You see that there is before insert on inquiry for each row beginning detail from inquiry where code is equal to new dot course code, and after that you can see the trigger has been created. After that you are inserting the value into you can see one or using the row is created. After that we are creating or replacing a trigger validity. Same way inserting an inquiry for each row when new course is less than 10 and delete from inquiry and end. So you can see that trigger has been created successfully. After that we are inserting the data into that. After you can see the first row created. After that we are selecting from inquiry where you can see that all the data is present in there, and next trigger we have also seen that is created, but there is a compiler error. After that you can see that the course has code and the trigger is created in the similar way. After replacing the less fee, insert before prepaid for each row, and for that also you can see that but there is an error. We can resolve that error, and that we can see that trigger has been created for less than 1000 and end. After that we have to another create that will trigger the date before insert on inquiry for each row when inquiry is greater than 25 hours beginning and the end, and the when inquiry is greater than 25 hours without table. A trigger is created, but there is the error and paste this in keyboard, and we can see that the trigger is created. Similarly, we will see that the next also we can see that this trigger date before inquiry, and see that trigger has been created. That's all about the borrowing. Thank you.